Good morning and happy Monday, safe fenning enthusiasts. The big announcement today is we've got a new website. Actually, it's two new websites. Centrotherm.us.com and Centrotherm.ca for the Canucks. They're both live, they're both new, and they're both available to you. I stripped away all the fluff to make it super easy to navigate. So all the stuff that you'd be looking for, from the OEM approval matrix to our brand new 2023 installation instructions, read the manual, are available. Go click around, take a look, let me know what you think. I'd be really curious to know what you think of our new website. And best of all, our PIM system is live too. Product Information Management. That is to say, if you go click on an item, all of the physical specifications and a bunch of other data are now embedded into the website too. Used to be, you had to look through the catalog or even give us a call to figure out a bunch of stuff. Now all that data is embedded in the database that now is live on the website. So give it a look, let me know what you think.